So my name is Nisha Agarwal. I'm working as an individual counselor at Masuk right now. Along with that, I'm also working in a finance company. So overall, my workshop experience was amazing. It was like I was just waiting for the next day to come and know what next, what next. And when the final day came and I actually could link everything that from day one till the end. And I remember Ms. Ma'am saying, don't miss a day. Now I realize why not, like missing a day could impact in your final conclusion of what you have learned. So it was like an overall wonderful experience. I'm looking towards level 2 curriculum here. And my biggest takeaways, I would suggest, like I learned amazing techniques here, such as like breakdown cycle. Breakdown cycle was a eye opener for me. And then the soft C model is the is the cherry on the cake. It's like a top notch model that I have learned. Anchoring as well, like in anchoring, I practiced anchoring yesterday and today also in the morning when I just woke up. I was just trying to use that the thing and it was working. So it's quite interesting. And honestly, soft C works. It worked for me because I had to take a gap in between and then I started. So I could see the task that I listed. I'm already doing it. So definitely a must try. And like and also self anchoring, I would suggest. It was very interesting because you don't need anyone to anchor yourself. You can just use your own techniques and do it on your own. So helping yourself, you can suggest this to clients as well. So it's a amazing technique for self help. So overall it was wonderful, and thank you so much, Ms. Ba ma'am, for all your guidance and all throughout in this workshop. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ketan Naik, and I'm in the process of launching my coaching practice for past few months. This particular course has been a really big boost to my self-confidence as a coach, and a huge base of knowledge has been opened through this. The best part I like about this course is the actual hands-on practice sessions that happen in the course. That gives you a lot of confidence in terms of actually doing it with your clients. Soft C as a model is possibly one of the most effective and best models I have ever learned and very practical to be used with clients. That is one big learning that I have received here. Apart from that, a plethora of techniques that I learned to work with a person's subconscious that will ensure the sustainable transformations in people. I think that is a big toolkit that I have now in my kitty as a coach. Makes me a lot more confident coach, and I would really use this in future time to come. Thank you so much, Misbah, for all the guidance. Thank you, Aichas, for the wonderful course. The way it has been structured and executed, I think everything is a really good, well planned, and well executed course. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ketan.
Hi, my name is Rael Martin. I'm actually in an unrelated field to psychology, but that's what I want to go, and that my aspiration is to get in there. So I'm doing this course, and I've done other courses, and I'm also pursuing my master's in psychology counseling. What this course taught me was to be structured, because the format is very structured. And I realized that while talking to clients, it helps to be structured. There's also homework, which makes them accountable for things when they come back for the next session. And we doing this ourselves gives us insight into what the questions and the troubles or the difficulties that a client can face. My best takeaway from this session was anchoring. I went into the anchoring session with a lot of distrust, thinking it will never work. And the first break I got from the session, I tried doing it and it really worked. So I think that was really an aha moment for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Rael.
Hi, so my name is Barkha Soni, and I'm currently working with a company wherein we help users to quit smoking and other nicotine-related products. So as I complete my level 1 CHCP program today with you, Ms. Ba ma'am, so I would just like to say that it was a game changer thing for me because it helped me grow personally at a different level, and I've gained the skills and be able to make a positive impact on others' life by using various techniques. And I have created this one entire big toolkit with me. And each session, I have gained a deeper understanding of the power of the mind and how this mind can help you heal and at the same time transform and unfold the future that we want actually, and make it into a reality. The soft C module was a top notch for me. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Ripple Yadav. So I am a lawyer and I used to practice, but now I'm getting into psychological field. So I've done few certificate courses of counseling. So now I'm getting into relationship counselor field. So overall, I would say it was a very good course. It is a great opportunity. It's a great learning experience. So one thing I liked about it, it's a very structured course. So the time of the training was very well used. And the practice sessions made us very confident. Because most of the times we just look at like as a video and a TV and we just, monologue, we look it as a monologue and come back and just forget. So it was very well utilized. So I'm very satisfied with the entire course. It is a very well designed course. So congratulations on that. So my biggest takeaway is it made me set my goals very clear. So earlier, what I did in earlier counseling session was you have to be precise. So it is the first time I have to be elaborate. So that is the biggest thing which I've learned to elaborate myself, looking at the future. So soft C model, I would say, is a very structured and very good model. It's very easy to follow. It's very flexible also. So I think it was a great experience. I started liking hypnosis. I will learn about it more. That is my biggest takeaway. And thank you, Ms. Ma'am. You were great. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi everyone. So my name is Gautam Mahanta, and I actually was working at banking sector as a probationary officer, and then I resigned from my job and transitioned to psychology recently. So at present, I'm pursuing masters in psychology from IGNO, and as psychology is quite new to me, so I'm trying to explore different new courses and areas of psychology. So while going through this entire course, it was a really a wonderful journey of self-transformation. And also, like everything that we have learned so far is so well structured and systematic. So I understood the importance of being structured and systematic while working with clients. And also, I felt like it was a sort of subconscious cleansing for me during the entire journey. And especially during the last session, where we did the whole hypnotic sequence, it was like I was traveling to places and I was really going through a journey, and also yeah, it helped me to learn from the perspective of a therapist and a client as well. And also I would say the anchoring. I actually at first I was also a little skeptical about it, but then when I was going through the entire process, I felt like it really works. Like it does wonders. Like without too much of processing, we can actually um, you know. It works on an emotional level. So thank you so much, Misbah ma'am, for the guidance and one more thing. Actually, we were doing everything that we have learned so far. We were practicing. So this um, uh, intensified the entire learning process. So thank you so much. And I'm looking forward to attend the level 2 next. Thank you.
Thank you so much.